You guys to watch something here. My clipper fall down, and this clipper you are seeing just fell down right now, and you know there is a lot of sound. So when I check, the gear locker is broken. You see, it's broken, and you cannot do anything about it, as you guys can see. So now what I will do is that I want to change the housing. Is this one that broke, so I have to change it. So I've already offset this one, engine and everything out. You get it. So this is the housing I'm about to place here. So let's go. You see. So first of all, let me unplug it from the lights. You see, unplug it from the lights, then let's go. So let me open it. It just fell down right now, and I have to fix it myself. Let's tell you guys that as a professional barber, you need to know how to fix clippers. It's very, very important. So as you guys can see, that this one broken. This one. Oh, let me open this so that you guys can see clearly. Can see, so you remove this one. You can see this is broken. You see, and so you see, you can see that it's broken. So that is the reason why it's not working. So what I would do is I have to remove it. I have to remove it like this. So you see, I have removed it. So if you are doing, you have to be careful, as you may wound yourself. You see, it's broken. Okay, sorry. There is another nut inside that I didn't open. That one. That is why. So let's tell you guys, as a professional barber, you should be able to dismantle your clipper and refix it again. It's very, very important. You see, so this is the one that is broken. This is the one. You see, this is the one. So I've removed it. So now let me clean it. Very nice. You see, because this one is using the same thing, that is why I could fix it. If it were to be this one, maybe cannot, because you see this one, there is no that gap in it. You get it? So that is it. So that is the difference. So as you guys can see, so okay, let me put it here. So let's remove this one too. So assuming, let's say the housing is not working, this housing is not working, I would have just removed this one and placed this one directly, but this one is working perfectly. So all I need to do is to just remove this one. You see, just remove this one and place it in. So let's go. Screw here, the same as the other one. Screw here. So as a professional barber, you should be able to open your clipper to refix certain things in it, because it's very, very important. You know, it's very, very important. You see? So I have to move this one. Then I screw this one. You see? So I've removed it, as you guys can see. So you see, at this point, if this one is not working, I will just place this one. It's the same as this one, you get it, but it's working. So let's see. So just place it. You see, let's place it the same. Then screw it. You see, I have fixed it. So the next step is to tighten here. You see, very hard. See, so now I'm about to fix the blade because I'm done. So inside the clipper, you have to, I always cut a foam like this. You know, see, cut it like this. You see here, then you put it inside to prevent hairs entering inside. You get it? You see, lock it like this before. So let me use this opportunity to clean it again, and then before fixing it. So this is the old this is the original teeth. So let's fix it. Place this one first, like this. See, and you place this one on top. Place this one on top like this. The screws are here. Put one here. Wait. Left with one bolt. Left with one bolt here. There is one bolt here. All is important because that is how they do it. Sometimes someone will say, oh, the two is okay. No, the two is not okay. Have to. So that you will be strong. I'm confused, so I'm confused. I don't know the one I move. So let's on it and see. You see? So I'm done.